Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove bookmarks bar on Chrome on a Mac. You are probably looking for this tutorial because you try to press Command-Shift-B on this page here, and as you can see, nothing is happening. The bookmarks bar does not turn on or off, it's just statically there. We would toggle the Chrome's bookmarks tab, but as you can see, nothing's happening. Now, when you do press Ctrl-Shift-B, you will see this View tab flashing, and if you go there, you'll see this checkbox, Always Show Bookmark Bar. But even if you uncheck it, the Chrome's bookmark bar on the Mac still does not disappear. Now, if you try to do this in Safari, here I'm going to open Safari and press Command-Shift-B, you will see the bookmark bar is being toggled. But this shortcut does not remove bookmarks bar in Chrome on the Mac. Now, the reason you can't remove bookmarks bar on a Chrome is because you're still on the Homepage tab. If you open a new tab and then press Command-Shift-B, as you can see, you can toggle bookmarks bar on Chrome on the Mac. Now, I don't know why exactly Google Chrome does not allow changing the bookmarks bar on the very first homepage in the browser. If anyone actually knows how to change that, or if it's possible on the very first homepage in Chrome, maybe there's some kind of a system setting that exists in Chrome. Or if you figured out how to do that, please leave a comment on this video so others can learn, because not being able to remove bookmarks bar in Chrome on the Mac can be very frustrating for first-time users.